Are you looking for the best laptop for photo editing? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop for photo editing on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Razer Blade 15 15-inch Intel Core i7. The Razer Blade 15 laptop is primarily focused on the gaming market. However, with a faster processor and dedicated graphics card, this makes it a good laptop for photo editing too. It comes with a super-fast Core i7-9750H processor, along with an NVIDIA graphics card, and a 256GB SSD hard drive. Not to mention it comes equipped with a fast GeForce RTX 2070 graphics. What makes this laptop a fantastic photo editing laptop is its 15.6-inch 4K display screen, boasting factory color calibration. Number 2. Microsoft Surface Pro 7. 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 3-inch PixelSense pressure-sensitive display, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 offers versatility when it comes to the range of Windows laptops. Enjoy the flexibility of a tablet and laptop in one, making it ideal for photographers and creators to edit and view pictures on the go. The display is excellent for viewing all angles as it covers a wide color gamut. The Intel Core i5 process, with a 256GB SSD and 8GB of RAM, is ideal for most users. Moreover, you can buy a detachable keyboard, giving you another advantage for any photo editor. Surface Pro 7 is a complete powerhouse in all aspects. With premium grade material, it is commendable in handling graphics, multimedia, heavy applications, and more. Number 3. Acer Aspire 5 Slim 15.6-inch. 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 6-inch Full HD ISP display, NVIDIA GeForce MX250, NVIDIA GeForce MX 252GB DDR5 graphics, 8GB DDR for 512GB SSD. The Acer Aspire 5 10th generation Intel Core laptop delivers on every aspect when it comes to computing. When it comes to creativity, this laptop glides through tasks with ease, with sharp, crisp visuals showcased on the 15.6 thin Full HD IPS screen. The Acer Aspire 5 is the ideal laptop under budget, with reliable battery life and can handle heavy image editing. It's designed for speed and mobility and is relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Number 4. Dell XPS 15 4K touchscreen display. 8th generation Intel Core i7-8750H processor, 4K touchscreen display, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti, 2GB DDR5 graphics, 16GB DDR4 and 512GB SSD. The Dell XPS 15 offers the next level of screen resolution when it comes to its 4K display, 3840x2160. It gives you a bright and crisp screen display and covers 100% Adobe sRGB color spectrum. It gives you the power to run even the most demanding software for photo editing and is one of the best laptops for Photoshop. Enjoy dazzling detail with 6 million more pixels than Full HD. You can edit images with perfect accuracy without worrying about jagged lines. Number 5. ASUS ZenBook 13 Ultra Slim Laptop, 13.3. 8th generation quad-core Intel Core i5 processor, turbo to 3.9 GHz, 3-inch Full HD display, resolution 1920x1888 GB DDR4 RAM, Intel UHD 620 graphics and 512GB SSD. The Acer Aspire 5 10th generation Intel Core laptop delivers on every aspect when it comes to computing. When it comes to creativity, this laptop glides through tasks with ease, with sharp, crisp visuals showcased on the 15.6 thin Full HD IPS screen. The graphics on this laptop are excellent, driven by NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics, giving you another advantage in creating. The Acer Aspire 5 is the ideal laptop under budget, with reliable battery life and can handle heavy image editing. It's designed for speed and mobility and is relatively lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Number 6. LG Gram Laptop 17 IPS Display. 10th generation Intel Core i7-1065 G7 quad-core 1.3 GHz processor, turbo up to 3.9 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 1 TB SSD 17-inch IPS display, 114% sRGB, 2560 x 1600 resolution, Intel Iris Plus graphics $. If it's a large screen you want, take a look at the LG Gram Laptop 10th generation, Intel Core i7 processor powered with 4K content production. It's perfect for video filters and a high resolution for photo editing and for gaming. The LG Gram comes with a 17-inch IPS display with 114% color gamut and powerful hardware, putting it at the top of the list when it comes to photo editing laptops. Enjoy the perfect colorful display, Intel Iris Plus graphics, and powerful configuration, making it ideal for Photoshop.